Okay guys, so welcome to this package installation class. So today I will be taking you through on how you can install some of the packages that we use in data science. Okay, so I will start with the process of installing them using your command prompt. So I will advise that you go along with me so you get to understand what we'll be doing. Okay, today I will be running you through how to install NumPy. I will run you through on how to install pandas, matplotlib. I will also run you through on how to install the Seaborn, the SciPy, and the Tkinter. Okay, these are packages that we use in data science activities to make our work much easier. Okay, so first of all, what you will do first is to go to your search bar. You can either see it on your search bar icon down your laptop here, or you go to your startup menu and search for it. Okay, so when you see your search bar here, what you will do is to type cmd. Cmd is a short form of command. So once you type that, you can see the command prompt has appeared. So you will just select that. Okay, so when you select that, the window will appear. Sorry, I clicked it twice. So the window will appear here. So this is where we are right now. We are on the command prompt. Okay, so it's very much easy to start from here. The first thing we are going to be installing is NumPy, the package. So the step is pip install NumPy. Okay, pip install NumPy. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, definitely you're supposed to be on the internet connection. If you're to install any of these packages, you're supposed to connect your system or your phone to the internet. Okay, because I've initially installed them, I won't be doing that anymore. I won't be connecting to the internet, but I'm going to still try to install this so that you will see what it will say. Okay, so after that, what you will do next is to hit your enter button and you wait for the package to get installed. All right, so let's wait and see what happens. Okay, I think there is a display that we all need to see here. Okay, so if you're seeing it here, you will read with me. Requirement already satisfied. NumPy in C. Okay, that means it simply means that I've already installed the package in my C drive. Okay, so this warning here is that there was an error checking the latest version of the pip. It simply means I am not connected to the internet. That is what it means. But from this satisfaction here, it simply means I have the package already installed. So if I still go ahead to type other ones like pip install pandas, okay, and run the package, I'm still gonna get the same result. Okay, as you can see, requirement already. So I actually don't need you to read all of that, but what you can see here is that I have actually installed all of that. So this is the basic step. If you want to install any of these packages using your command prompt method, this is the method you are to follow. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching us how to do that if you're using PyCharm. So for those of us who are using PyCharm to do the installations, those who are using PyCharm as a software interpreter to do your Python programming, what you will do is to go to your file, then under your file you go to your settings. Okay, now we are in our settings right now. So what you're going to do is that you're going to check the project. Which project are you using your your PyCharm for? What is the name of the project? So look at mine is Python project 1. You can change this name to mean whatsoever you want according to how you have saved it initially. So what I'm going to do is, okay, it's already expanded, but if it is not expanded, what you will do is to click on this icon just before the project, Python project 1. So you click on it, it will expand. All right, once it expands, it has 3 sub topics, which is Python interpreter, Python development, or dependencies rather than Python interpreter, project dependencies, and project structure. Okay, so what we are interested in is this Python interpreter. So you click on that, it will open another sub window for you. Okay, this is officially where all the packages that you have installed will display. Okay, as you can see, they've all displayed. So these are the packages I have installed in my laptop. Okay, so if you want to have any of other packages or modules installed, what you will have to do is to go to this plus icon. I hope you can see this plus icon right here at the top, on top of the packages you have in your system. So go to the plus sign and click on that. When you click on the plus sign, it opens a search bar where you are possibly supposed to type the name of the package that you want to install. Let's assume I want to install the NumPy. I'll just type NumPy on the search bar here. Look, activities about NumPy will just turn up here for me. Okay, so this is everything about NumPy. Okay, now NumPy is here. Look at it highlighted in blue. Now what it simply means is that if I am to install NumPy here, I'll just come down here, install package. Can you see that? I've already installed this Python already, but let me show you how it works. So I've clicked on install package and the installation is going on at the background. Officially I've installed it, so it might not even need to show me if I have network issues or not. So okay, now package NumPy installed successfully. It's because I have installed it. If you have not, it will not go through because I am not connected to the internet. So if you're using the command prompt method or installing through the software interpreter you're using, which in this case is the PyCharm, you're going to have your system connected to the internet. Okay, so once you are done with that, once you're done with installation of all the packages that you have or you want to, because in this case you can't install all the packages, there are so many of them, so you have to install the ones that you want to use according to what you want to study with them. Okay, so you close the window. So these are the packages I have stored already. So if you're done with that, for you to know if actually you have installed NumPy, we're going to import it. Okay, so you say import NumPy as PD. I'm going to teach you this officially when we'll be doing our classes, but I just want to let you know that this is how you know if you have installed NumPy. Okay, let's say nu equal to pd.array to bracket this 1, 2, 3. Okay, print nu to run your program. Okay, now it simply means we have installed NumPy, that NumPy is existing inside the software interpreter. Now for another thing that you used to know is the import and the as will be highlighted. In fact, everything on this first line will be highlighted. You know, initially when I typed that, it was faintly highlighted. In fact, it was not even highlighted at all. But now that I've called it to action, which is here, so let me not explain this now, I will do that later. So I want you to know that because it has been installed, that is why it was activated here while I was importing it. If I hadn't installed it initially, if I import it here, it will not work. Okay, so this is how to know that the PyCharm or whatever package that you have is installed in your system. Okay, so we have used that to one of the examples that will prove that we have this package installed in our system. Okay, so officially we'll start with other packages in our next class. See you there. Take care.